We often spend so much time in taking decisions related to our design and aesthetics of our home that we forget to pay small attention towards the ergonomics related in the audio video system, which is just going to add glamour to your home. And that is why in this particular video, I am going to help you understand the right distance from the floor to your TV bottom, as well as I am going to help you understand the right distance from the floor towards your screen, the projector screen bottom. Because I've seen this as one of the most common mistakes in lot of locations and lot of sites, and for that reason, I need to ensure that you all do not make the same mistake and have your TV and the projector screen at the right angle so that you can enjoy your experience way more better. Guys, welcome back to my channel. I Tanmay Mehta, your home technology consultant or home theater wale bhaiya or home theater guy from YouTube, have been designing home cinema experience for thousands of customers since last 8 years. And with that experience, what I've realized is that home theaters is still not correctly perceived by a lot of Indians, and people have been selling these customers what they have and not necessarily what the customers need to buy. So for that reason, to help you all understand the world of home cinema experience, this channel is one of my dedication or my commitment to ensure that I help each one of you make better, well-informed and right decisions when it comes to buying anything and everything in home technology industry. Now before I begin, how many of you have faced the discomfort with your current TV position? I want to know what is your experience. Like, let's say if you have gone to your relative's place, your friend's place, and you have seen that the TV is way more at a taller height than it should be, or you're facing some discomfort while watching the TV or a projector screen, your neck starts paining or your eyes keep on moving. If that is one of your concern, please drop in your experience in the comments below so that I understand that how many people are actually doing these mistakes. And obviously what you can do is, towards the end of the video, you can share this video with those people so that they can rectify their mistake and have the TVs or the projector screens at the right height. Well, the right answer for you is that the center of the TV, the center of the TV has to be in alignment with your eye. So for instance, if you're sitting on a sofa or a chair and your eye level is at 40 inches from the floor, then your TV center also needs to be at 40 inches. That's right. You may feel that the TV is coming low, but ideally the TV center has to match your eye level, because that is the right location for your TV, so that you have a perfect experience and your neck doesn't start paining or you're not tilting your neck backwards to have that TV fit in your vision. So make sure that your eye level and your center of the TV is in the same alignment and you enjoy the right experience. That is, let's say you're sitting from a distance of 15 feet to 25-30 feet. Then what should be the right angle? Well, in such cases, what you can do is you can have the TV 1 feet above the center level or above your eye level, but you need to use a mount which is a tiltable mount so that the TV can be given an angle of 5 degrees to 10 degrees and it can yet be seen properly from your sitting distance. So for that reason, the TV bottom can also be at the eye level, but you have to ensure that you use a tiltable mount for mounting your TV, which can be given an angle of 5 degrees to 10 degrees. And even if you're sitting at a far away distance of 15, 20, 30 feet, this TV will be still in a good viewing distance for you and you won't have any problems related to your neck. So I hope that this answers the basic question as to what is the ideal height of the TV bottom from the floor. Now this is all about TV. If you've got more queries related to TV, then make sure to use our T20 service, which is there in the description, wherein you and I can connect for 20 minutes and I help you with the right decision about the TV height, as well as I can help you save a lot of money by guiding you with the right TV and the sound system that you need to buy for your living room, bedrooms or media room setups. Well, the answer is no, a big no, because your TVs are very small in size compared to what a projector screen is. For instance, a projector screen would start from 80 inches and can go up to 300 inches. So even if your eye level is at 40 inches, your screen cannot come down at that level. The center of the screen cannot be at your eye level, because then the screen would start touching your floor and that won't be the right experience for your home cinema room. Well, the screen height has to be divided into three parts: the top 1/3, the middle 1/3, and the bottom 1/3. And the eye level should be in alignment with the bottom 1/3 stop. Yes, that is the right alignment, or that is the right level for your eyes and for the projector screen. So let me also share a drawing example over here. So you have got a screen and you can see a person sitting on the chair. So what we basically do is that the alignment of the eye level has to match the bottom 1/3 of the screen, and that is one of the ideal measurements to have for a home theater experience. Well, we consider either the last row or we average out to the middle row, and from that row we consider the eye level distance to the floor. And when I'm talking about the floor, it's the main floor, not the elevated platform floor. That floor height is considered, and we use the same formula of 1/3 of the screen, etc., etc. And that's how we calculate the screen bottom to the floor for such multi-seater cinema room. Make sure to use our home run service in the description, because that is where you and I can connect for 1 hour and we can help you decide your system configuration. We can help you analyze that what sort of screen size you need to buy, how many seating combination are we looking at, or how you can ensure to use the room to the fullest and have the system, and have the best system rather, not just the system, but have one of the best systems. Did this video help you with the right height for your TV as well as for your projector screen? Well, if your answer to this is yes, then don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe to our channel, because as we promised at the start, our mission is to help you all make better, well-informed and right decisions for achieving the best home cinema experiences. With that, I Tanmay Mehta, your home theater wale bhaiya, your home theater guy, will see you all in my next video. Till then, stay home and take care.